Good day, everyone. I am Micaela Grace Gallardo, and I am your presenter for today. So, my topic is one of the several topics in building system design. So, it is in chapter 5 and under the structural system in building. So, we all know that in making designs for buildings like hospital, malls, houses, and etc., especially if it's all about its structural design, we have important things to learn and to consider. We have to ensure its structural design withstand the loads and forces its structural it will encounter during its lifespan. We have also to ensure its flooring, its ceiling, ventilation, and most of all, the plumbing system, which I will discuss to you. So, what is plumbing system? Bakit ba kailangan natin itong isaalang-alang in making our buildings? So, plumbing system is a system of pipes and fixtures installed in a building. So, if we talk about pipes, ito yung mga tubo na dinadaanan ng water natin. So, the plumbing in any building serves two main purposes. So the first one is to bring water into the structure for human use, and the second is to remove wastewater of various types. So the first purpose of our plumbing is to bring water into our houses, which is yung kinukunan natin ng tubig na ginagamit natin sa pang-araw-araw. And the second one is to remove wastewater of various type. So, ibig sabihin ng wastewater is yung mga water na nagamit na natin, which is for example, yung water from our sink, water from our bathroom, and water from our laundry. So, plumbing systems are essential for providing clean water, ensuring sanitation, preventing water damage, and promoting public health and safety. The importance of plumbing extends beyond basic convenience, playing a critical role in the overall well being and functioning of communities. So, after explaining to you what is plumbing system, we have also there the three main types of plumbing systems. So, first one is the potable water. The second one is the sanitary drainage, and the third and last one is the stormwater drainage. So, first is let's talk about potable water system. So, the potable water system brings water into a structure. This water comes from the community water main. So, if we talk about the community water main, ito yung napakalaking tubo na kinukunan natin ng supply ng tubig natin. So, there is a valve on the water main itself for each structure that can be used to shut off its water supply. So, from there, galing doon daw sa pinakamalaking tubo, a single type, a single pipe rather, brings water into the structure, and it is then distributed to individual fixtures through a network of pipes. So a meter keeps track of how much total water enters the structure. So from our water main daw, meron daw tayong maliliit na tubo na which is connected doon sa water main natin at papunta sa mga bahay natin para from our water main is yung tubig na gagamitin natin for our houses is ma-deliver sa bahay natin. So the next one, the next main type of plumbing system is the sanitary drainage system. So if we talk about sanitary drainage system, it removes water waste from a building. So it consists of pipes that take out human waste. Yun nga yung sabi ko kanina. So ang sanitary drainage system naman, ito yung mga pipes na dinadaanan ng mga water waste, which is yung mga water na ginagamit na natin. For example, yung mga water from cooking, from our laundry, and etc. So the sanitary drainage system is connected to a series of vent pipes that go through the roof vertically. So this allows for the venting of gases and for the entire system to operate at atmospheric pressure. The sanitary drainage system is ultimately takes wastewater to the community sewer system. So after explaining to you the potable water system and the sanitary drainage system, let's move on to the last main types of planning system, which is the storm water drainage system. So its purpose is to carry rainwater away from our structure. In older structures, rainwater simply drains into the sanitary drainage system, but in buildings that are modern, a separate system of drains carries water into the community storm sewers. So, um, this stormwater drainage system is also helped to prevent flooding by diverting rainwater into a natural body of water. So gutters are a part of the stormwater drainage system visible from outside the structure. Other components such as drains and pipes are below the ground. So hindi natin ito makikita. So let's move on now to the types of plumbing systems in building. So we have underground tank, we have overhead tank, and we have also hydropneumatic system. So first is let's discuss about the underground tank. So plumbing system in buildings consist of underground tank, which is supplied water via municipal or water department supply lines. From there, with the help of pumps and piping distribution, system water is supplied to overhead tank and thereby due to gravity water reaches to home outlets. So other reason for our underground water storage tank is to harvest rainwater that would otherwise come into a runoff. So the next one is our overhead tank. So usually is makikita naman natin ito no sa mga buildings or sa bahay din natin if ever. So the overhead tank can however be eliminated if water is supplied directly from underground tank to kitchen. Toilet outlets, there comes the need of pumps which can give uninterrupted supply of water with required pressure to outlets so that when one opens the tap, he gets continuous supply of water. So that pumps is called as hydropneumatic system water. So the next one is yung pump na sinasabi natin, which is the hydropneumatic system. So this, this hydropneumatic system or pumps consist of small steel tank with water on one side and air on another separated by a rubber membrane. So as the pump starts, it supplies water to the wet side, thus causing rubber membrane to expand and air compresses on other side, thus causing extra pressure on wet side, which is connected to water supply line. So we are done now in discussing, no. We will discuss the two types of pumps. So we have submersible pumps and we have also open type pumps. So first is, let's talk about submersible pumps. So submersible pumps are used inside the water and require very less maintenance. So both types can be used for traditional as well as hydropneumatic systems. So the next one is the open type pump. So an open type water well pump, also known as a surface pump or a jet pump, is installed above ground and draws water from the well using suction. So we are done now in discussing the public system in building, and let's move on now to the types of drainage systems in buildings. So using water pipes, as you seen in the picture, um, it is used in separating wastewater from showers, basins, kitchen sinks, washing machines, and the like. So kanina sa um plumbing system natin in buildings, we talks about the tanks, which is um yung kung saan natin ginastock yung water natin or pinagkukunan natin ng supply ng ating water. So dito naman sa drainage system natin is pag-uusapan natin yung mga ginagamit natin para i-separate natin yung mga nagamit na mga water. Yung wastewater natin na mula sa ating shower, mula sa ating kitchen sinks, sa washing machine, and sa iba pa. So, using our water pipes is sineseparate natin yung wastewater natin. So, yung wastewater is tinatawag din nating gray water. So, normally, a minimum of 75 mm diameter pipes, yun yung ginagamit natin for a drainage of wastewater. So, the second one is using our soil pipes in separating soil water or sewage. So that came from WCs and urinals. So this is also called as a black water. So a minimum of 100 mm diameter pipes are used for wastewater. So when run horizontally, soil water pipes should be run at a steeper slope, such as 1 to 1/40. So as they have solids, this can be of cast iron or of PVC. So yung pipes na gagamitin natin in separating our soil water or sewage is made of cast iron or PVC. So the third one is a grease trap. It should be used when draining wastewater from kitchens. Grease should not be allowed to enter the normal drainage system. A grease trap is nothing but a small inspection chamber. So the grease floats and should be removed manually on a daily basis. So the next one is a stoneware, or we call it as ceramic pipes. This is used when and wastewater is to be transported in external soil. So an inspection chamber is used to clean blockage in the line and change direction of pipes. So inspection chamber is a short version of manholes which are used on the street. So makikita naman natin kung ano itong stoneware sa picture. The next one is a soup pit. So it should not be placed near any occupied structure, water body, or water supply pipe. So ibig sabihin, dapat piniplace natin ito sa malayo. So it also cannot use where the water table is high. As groundwater will then enter and flood the pit through the porous wall. So lastly is a sewage treatment plant. So it is recommended for the disposal of large amounts of sewage. So parang itong sewage treatment plant is very useful sa mga malalaking building. So this is a plant that will process sewage and produce sludge and relatively clean water from it. So this water may then be used for landscaping or even perhaps for HVAC cooling towers, not for drinking or washing. So that is the end of my report, and thank you. And I hope that everyone is taking notes, or sana may natutunan kayo. So thank you for listening, everyone, and good day and God bless to all of you. Bye.